unlocking the future of quantum with intelligence that empowers every decision. Pioneering quantum strategy for over a decade, long before it became a trend. Driven by a world-class team of PhDs, technologists, and economists on a mission to make quantum actionable. Welcome to GQI.
Welcome to the GQI Factory, our execution engine for transforming intelligence into action. The process begins with human intelligence and automated scrapers feeding structured and unstructured data into the GQI workflow engine. Our system manages data collection, cleansing, normalization, and transformation, preparing it for precise downstream analysis. Our analyst team enhances this intelligence using GQI's proprietary framework. We categorize for the GQI taxonomy, classify by quantum application, and contextualize within the broader quantum ecosystem. The processed data is stored in our secure warehouse, including both the raw dataset and the curated master database. The Intelligence Portal presents a fully configurable front end powered by live data. It connects decision makers with real-time trackers, interactive explorers, operational playbooks, visual analytics, reports, and news. Integrated across the platform is GQI Air AI, our proprietary intelligence assistant, now powered by Nuclea. This is how the GQI Factory transforms complexity into clarity and insight into execution.